What's up everyone, CryptoInformer here, and I'm coming at you with a video to show you all my picks for the month of January. Now remember, these are just my picks. I'm not a financial advisor, I'm not professionally trained, I'm not here to give you any financial advice. These are just my picks. If you want to follow them, follow them. I don't make money from advising you guys anything. I do have a few people I help privately, but that is a whole nother matter. So let's get into why I chose these coins and which ones I chose. I'm not going to cover in full detail everything about each coin and every choice because I don't want to give away too much of the information I have. However, I will tell you these are definitely the ones I put my money in, and these are the ones I'm betting on for the month. What I'm looking for are coins that will outpace Bitcoin, that'll outpace Ethereum and Litecoin. I'm looking for wins over 50% on the month. I'm not looking for 10% gains for the month. That's not what we're doing. If you want something like that, you can go ahead and hold on to Litecoin because I'd say you're probably going to get that with Litecoin, probably even with Bitcoin. What we're looking for are coins that are trending already and that meet some private markers I have that I'll explain some of them to you guys. So let's start with the first coin, and that's going to be ARK. And the price right now on this chart is being calculated by TradingView. So if your price doesn't line up with this on your exchange, please don't freak out or anything. That's just because TradingView calculates this on their own, and sometimes it could be a little wonky. I think this might have been one of the coins that was pumped by McAfee, but I'm not completely sure. Anyway, so as I said, you can see that ARK has an uptrend here, and we're following a pretty solid channel, and it has a few breakouts and everything, but we're definitely on an uptrend. And this trend that we're going on is not why I'm choosing this coin, but it is a fundamental behind it. I think that even without the things I know, this coin will continue to go up. So it keeps your investment safe, and that's my goal, is to make smart investments. I mostly day trade because I hate to keep money inside this market because of how volatile it is, but I will put money where I think coins have a strong base and they're going to continue to trend upwards, and this is one of the ones I think could pay off very well. Some of you already know I picked this coin because you follow me on Facebook and Instagram, so I suggest that if you want to know my picks earlier than everyone else, you subscribe, you follow me on Instagram and Facebook also, at CryptoInformer, just like my YouTube channel. I'm also going to post this video and not advertise it or let anyone else know about it for at least an hour, so my followers can get the first dibs on everything I post. That might not make a difference right now, but it probably will eventually, especially once we launch this app. I think we might accidentally be pumping coins. That's not our goal, but I think that information we give out might pump coins. So anyways, also in this video, we will be giving away Bitcoin, Litecoin, or Ethereum. You go ahead and decide. All you have to do for a chance to win is subscribe to the channel, like the video, and post a comment with your wallet address, but make sure to tell me what coin the wallet address is for. And I just want to make it fair because some people hate Bitcoin, and so if you're not a fan of Bitcoin, go ahead and post your Ethereum or Litecoin address, and I will go ahead and pay your winnings out in that. The more views we get, the more I will pay to the random winner of each video. Our random winner from the last video is Dan Thompson. So Dan Thompson, go ahead and check your Bitcoin address. Once you have seen this, you'll definitely have that cash in there. Congrats, man, and thanks for the follow and support. I really appreciate it. I don't do this for fame. I love to bounce ideas off you guys. If you guys have any info you want to share with me, please message me on Instagram or Facebook. I'd love to talk to you guys. I like to learn, and I like to inform you guys and help you guys learn so you don't make the mistakes I made when I first started trading and got into investing in crypto. I'm very successful with crypto, and I started with the amount that I would assume almost all of you guys can afford, and now I have an amount that significantly changed my life. I hope I can help you guys get to that point. Just follow along and be as open as possible to learning. That's the biggest thing. Don't go in closed-minded. So let's start with this first coin, ARK. As I said, ARK is trending upwards. Now let's go ahead and look at the coin market cap with ARK. Okay, ARK is at $731 million. So just to give you guys some kind of reference with that, let's go ahead and switch over to the coin market cap top coins. So ARK is the 47th top coin. If it jumped up to the top 20, you're already looking at more than double your return to get up here, and we have some bad players like BitConnect up here. This is not a hard area to jump into. We see new people like Rayblox are already up into the top 15. Tron, number 7. Stellar. These are all great coins, and they have jumped up here very fast. And so I expect that we will have ARK jumping up at least into, I'm hoping, the 1.4 range, so maybe top 30. I'm hoping it'll go to about that spot in just 1 month's time. What I also like about it is that it has a small amount of total supply and an even lower amount of circulating supply. So what that means is that as the coin gains in value, this number will go up much quicker. The lower the supply is, the faster you'll see this number go up. And sometimes that messes with people's psyche to look at a coin and go, oh, that was $5 and now it's at $15. Oh, now it's at $30. Now it's at $60. When they see that quick growth, it gets that FOMO acting up, and they really want to jump in and make sure they don't miss out. Smaller numbers, that doesn't always happen. Next, we have Edgeless. So this coin I have a lot of hope for. It definitely was one that was pumped by McAfee, as you can see with this insane price spike here. But we've kind of leveled out a little bit, and if you were someone who's an earlier follower, you probably got in around this price and have already seen great returns. Actually, all the coins I'm going to be telling you guys about, when I posted them prior to my private followers, everyone's up already at least 30%, and that's just in a couple days. So I really want you guys to get in on this, so make sure you guys follow me. All right, so Edge is another one that we can see has a great trend here. We can obviously tell it's trending upwards, and we go over to the coin market cap for Edge, and it's a little bit down on the day, which is fine. We're looking for points to buy in, right? And it only has $208 million market cap, and look at how small the supply is, only 82 million coins. So this price has so much up potential. And what's great about it is, you're just going down here, look at this chart. We can see it's starting to heat up big time, right? The other thing that we're looking for when we see these small caps like this is if we can just get in the top 38, where right now H share is, whatever that is. I'm not a follower of that coin. If we can just get there, we're already looking at 5 times return. So it's very possible. I mean, with the size of investments we're seeing nowadays into crypto, trying to catch that next big boom, it's very possible that this could happen sooner than you expect. I would count this coin as probably my best pick for the month. I would definitely go hard on this Edge. Next, we have Augur, which as listed is called REP. So if you're looking for it, it's known as a rep. This coin is easily accessible. It's on Poloniex and Bittrex and a lot of the major exchanges, so it makes it easy to go ahead and grab. We see that the price, since it looks like the pump of McAfee here, it's starting to wedge, and that's a good sign when we're in a bull trend, because I definitely think that this wedge might align with some information that I have that tells me this coin is going to spike even more. I guess you can say it's worth something that McAfee's behind it, but McAfee is a weirdo, so that might not be worth anything. I think that this is just going to be one of the next big ones. Let's pop over to the coin market cap on Augur. We can look at this. Let's go into the 1 month chart, and you can see we have a nice uptrend here in 7 days. A lot of my followers have already made great returns on this, as have I. If you were one of the people who got my picks early, you have made a great return just today, 10%. I believe I'm up 40% on this one so far in the last like 4 days. One of the things that we're looking for is that low market cap, and it's under 1 million, so that's great. We have a ton of up potential, and we also have an extremely low amount of coins. So with that only 11 million rep currently circulating right now, this number will keep on moving, and it will look crazy to people. If we see the price double and you're looking at $160 rep, you're really going to have some FOMO when you can just remember it not too long ago being at $60. At the beginning of the 1 month ago, let's see what it was at, $20, and now you're going to be looking at it at 160. Yeah, that's probably going to create a little FOMO into people. And like I said, all of these, I have some information behind them that will go ahead and fuel the fire. That's actually my last pick. There's 3 coins for this month. Just to recap, they are ARK, Edge, and Rep, but there's a little bonus coin I want to throw in that I would love if you guys all took a look at, and of course use your own judgment, but it's called Utrust. And I've had my eye on this one prior to it going into ICO, and I thought, man, this is a great project, has a lot of smart people behind it, and I think it's going to be big. And now it's available for us to purchase here in the United States, because we couldn't get in on the ICO, and it's only at one exchange right now, Qcoin, which I had to register at to buy this coin. It has a small total supply with an even smaller circulating supply and a very small market cap. The up potential is huge. I think this coin will be very big, and I don't know about top 10, but I think it will get into the top 30. And so we could see a huge return on this coin, especially since it's not even at any big exchanges yet. Once it gets to a big exchange, you're going to see a huge price spike. And so on its way there, you're going to make a lot of money. This is a coin that I say is a long-term hold. Buy it and hold long-term. Hold it for the year. See what happens. Don't invest more than you can afford to lose, of course. And I invite you to go to its website, which is utrust.io, and check out its white paper, see what they're all about, see if you agree with my suggestion here. And if you guys have other coins you want me to look into, put them in the comments, man. Give me hit me up on Instagram. Give me some news that you guys are holding out on. If there's anything that you're seeing that I'm not seeing, let me know. I want to get it out to everyone. I want to give you my opinion, and hopefully all together we can make money, and that's my goal. So that's it for me for this video. As always, post down below, comment, like, and subscribe. And if you do all those things and you're randomly chosen, you will be getting some cash into your wallet. That's it for me. Stay cryptic and informed, guys. I'll catch you guys later.